Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back in my another video. In last video, we created the responsive screen, which one work in mobile and desktop and tablet also. Okay, so here is sample. Let me. This is mobile view and this is laptop and canvas view. Okay, so this is work in both device. Okay, now today we will create the employee login and manager login access. Okay, so this is formula based button. Okay, so how it's work and how we create the formula sheet and how we create the user database. Okay, so basically we need to create a user database and on our serpent list. Okay, so first I need to create a backend data, and we are using for backend serpent list. This is serpent list. I'm already created this site. This is list. Okay, I'm already created list. Okay, if you don't know how to create list, you need to go to click on the app launcher, and here is option for list, and you need to select this one list and create new list. Okay, and you can directly add the column. Add column from here, and this is text column. We already added employee name and the email also. Okay, and you can add the role option also. So this is our application role. Okay, so basically this is choice column role. Okay, if here is two option for roles. This is employee and manager. Okay, so we put here employee and manager role access. Okay, so I'm selected Pankaj as a employee role. Okay, so just I need to go to the our application, and I need to select employee login button. Okay, I need to put here the lookup formula. Okay, and I'm using here lookup and if formula. Okay, which one filter data from user database. Okay, so first I need to link this sheet from our application. So I need to go data and click over add data, and I need to search here connectors and SharePoint site, and I need to select the mail ID, and I need to select here my list name. My list created on this site YouTube dial for IT. Okay, so I'm choose here YouTube dial for IT. I think it's taking time to search this one, and I need to select here user logins. Okay, so my seat name is user logins, and I need to connect. My list is connected. Now I need to put here lookup formula. Okay, so I need to put here formula like lookup for if. So first put here if and search here lookup. So basically I need to put here my seat name, user logins. Okay, then comma, and now I need to put here my email column. Okay, so first I need to use lower formula. Sometimes you use capital or small letters and mail ID, so sometimes it's not catch if here is capital or small letter. Okay, so I'm put here email and bracket close, and what is the email is equal to. Here I need to tag user dot email. Okay, so if this formula mean let me explain you. uh, the lookup formula look in our sheet and the email column. Okay, so look the email ID. Okay, if this email ID match with the login user, so email ID, then it's and this one, and also match the role of user. So I need to select here role column and dot value, because this is choice column. So I need to mention here role dot value is equal to what is our role value. We are create this formula for employee login. So I need to search. I need to type here employee. Okay, basically you need to type this value. Okay, if you are create formula. So this is employee. I need to copy and paste it here. Okay. If I in if data find out in user logins, okay, this is user email with an this user login user email and value barabar value is equal to employee. Okay, so our screen navigate on where our screen navigate. So for now we not created any screen, so I'm create here the insert, oh, new screen, and I'm select here the header footer screen. Okay, so this is employee screen. Give the name employee screen. Okay, and also create a duplicate screen here. This is manager login screen. Okay, and now I need to put here the navigate where we need to navigate. We need to navigate on employee screen. Okay, so I need to put here employee screen name, and the screen transaction is cover and bracket close. Okay, and now I need to put here one more formula. If this data is not fine, then we user notify. Okay, user get notification, you don't have access. Okay, you don't have employee login access. Okay, and user notification type error. Okay, I need to close it and again close it. Okay, so now I have employee access. Okay, so if I'm login here employee login, so I'm automatic navigate on employee screen. Okay, so here is employee screen, and let me show you this is employee screen. Okay, if I don't have employee access, okay, I have manager access, or if I'm click on employee screen, so what happen? Okay, so let me introduce you. If I'm clicking here employee login, so here is let me refresh my sheet first. Okay, I think sheet refresh done. Let me log in now. If I'm click on this, you don't have employee login access. Okay, here is showing error. Okay, so same you can create for manager login. Okay, so if here is showing delegation error, you can remove this one uh, lower formula, and now it's fine. Okay, okay, and you can same copy and just paste on manager login. Okay, and you need to type here only manager. You need to type here only manager, because here we set manager also, and you don't have manager login access. Okay, okay, if I'm click on this, I'm able to log in directly in manager login. You can check here. I'm login as manager, automatic navigate. Oh, let me change screen also. So navigate manager login screen. Okay, so if I'm click on this, I'm automatic navigate on manager login screen. So let me show you. If I'm click on this, I'm navigate to manager login screen. Okay, if I'm click on this, here is showing you don't have access. Okay, Okay, or you can directly put the formula if you want to give the employee login access to everyone. Okay, if you want to give employee login access to everyone, you need to simple put here uh, the navigation screen. Okay, you can put this one. Okay, so anyone can log in directly simply. Okay, so for now I'm putting both formula here. Mhm. I'm changing employee and also here employee screen. Okay, so this is done from my side. If you need any help in this, you can directly contact me on WhatsApp, and please join my membership so you can get the practice file easily without any charges. And you can you can get every week 2 3 projects by membership members only view. Okay, so join membership channel, link in description. So thank you so much.